Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am out and about in my car. I'm getting ready to run into TJ Maxx to do kind of a short haul in there, see what I can get into, see what higher end brands of makeup they have, and all that good stuff. So sit back and enjoy, and let's see what TJ Maxx has to offer us. BH Cosmetics Carly Bible Palette, Deluxe Edition, 21 color shadow and highlighter palette. Let me see if I can get this open here. The Aspire to Inspire palette looks like by the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette. Kind of pretty. Definitely my kind of shades. Has a good mirror in it. So that's not bad at all. Let's see how much that palette is. That palette is $17.99. So not bad. I hate to see Smashbox Shape Matters palette. Look at this. That is terrible. Absolutely terrible. I hate this. So, Anastasia Beverly Hill Aurora highlighters, which is a very good palette. I have it. And then Profusion brows. Let's see how much this palette is. $24.99. And then we have Bite Beauty. It looks like lipstick. Yeah, lipstick bolt. And it is $79.99. I have some of these MAC Cosmetics Classic Cutie eyeshadow palettes. This one is $19.99, and they have a couple different varieties up here. And they're all packaged and
Leslie,
closed.
to the office, please. Leslie, to the office. Thank you.
Girl, you're talking over me. So that's pretty cool. Have some lashes here. Nice. Not bad. Not bad. Not a lot of higher end stuff, but they do have some. Liquid Glow highlighter from Anastasia. This looks like a Stila product. What is this? No, this is Kevin Kwan. Kevin Kwan, the Brow Gel Pencil. You may have to look into this. For $5.99. So not bad there. Cover Effects Custom Cover Tops. So they have a few things. Elizabeth Arden. I bet this is cute. Mermaid Glow Highlighter Palette. Oh, that is cute. My daughter would love that. That's cute. How much is that? $4.99. See, that's not bad. Kat Von D palettes down here. This is the Shade and Light Eye palette. Doesn't look bad. $27.99. So some NYX stuff. Not too bad. I mean, you can definitely tell this is Anastasia Color Contour Cream Kit and Light. Look at this. Look what they. Oh. Look what they do. Look what they do to this. It's just, it's so hard to buy makeup from TJ Maxx because it's all just destroyed by people. People just destroy it. Yes. Is this like this at any of your TJ Maxxes that you guys go to? I mean, I can have it open. Look at this. Why just take this off the shelf? Why leave this up for sale? Nobody's gonna buy that. I mean, yeah, I can just see somebody going up to the counter. Yeah, I'd like to buy just this one shade right here. I'll go ahead and take it because of this. No. They need to take this off I mean, look at this. A mess. An absolute mess. So that was the experience at the TJ Maxx here in my area. I was not impressed, you guys, at all. Too much destroyed makeup, just filthy. What was on that wall? Oh my goodness. Looked like somebody ran their hand. I'm not even going to go there, but it was terrible. How is the TJ Maxx in your area? Is it cleaner? Is it better assortment and better products? Is it destroyed like the one that I went to? Let me know in the comments below if you like TJ Maxx, if you ever shop there for makeup, and let me know what the experience is in your area. As always, you guys stay wonderfully beautiful. Have a great night. Bye.